Think green building is a passing fad? It's not. Frank Lloyd Wright coined the term organic architecture 100 years ago. Wright built organically by considering solar orientation, natural landscape, and using locally available materials. In fact, these ideals have been used for centuries, until recently when builders have allowed cheap materials to dictate home and workspaces. This uninspired approach to office spaces has taken a toll.
We actually know today that with daylight, outside views, indoor air quality, it really adds to the productivity of the people in the space. We've proven it through research, and it actually affects the bottom line.
Many companies now recognize the benefits of these age-old ideas, but today we call it building green. Building green encompasses three principles: energy efficiency, improved habitation, and sustainability. New construction projects are a prime opportunity to put these principles to work, but it's a process that requires expertise every step of the way.
We always start a green building design with all the key stakeholders in the project. So that includes the owner, obviously, the architect, the engineers, contractor, and the interior specialist. And that's really important so that all the key stakeholders are involved in the beginning and part of establishing the sustainable attributes of the project and buy into all those attributes at the beginning.
Since most of us spend 90% of our day indoors and a large portion of that at work, healthy workspaces are becoming increasingly important. Green buildings contribute to overall health by delivering improved air quality and more natural light.
Employers should care about healthy workplaces because it does affect the bottom line, even in terms of turnover productivity. But one of the biggest concerns employers have today is how to control healthcare costs, right? But 80% of most companies' cost is employee salaries and benefits and healthcare costs.
Building green is really a wise long-term investment, because if you think about the trends that you see today in the world, the increasing cost of energy, the increasing cost of retaining people, attracting people, all of those play into any investment decision.
Taking a green approach will result in better workspaces, not only reducing costs and giving employees a healthy environment, but preserving our planet for future generations. Haworth Incorporated is leading the way in the design of green office spaces. The team at Haworth is dedicated to creating healthy interiors that are inspirational, functional, and flexible.
The mission for Haworth is really to take our products and the solutions that we bring to our customers, and we like to say partner with our customers to stir their spirit, so really energize them, make sure that when they come to work every day, they're motivated, they're driven, they're aligned with the objectives of the organization, and all of that results in a sustainable solution for our customers.
Haworth leads by example with its new headquarters located in Holland, Michigan. This building is designed to meet the requirements for the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED Gold certification.
LEED certification is third-party review of a sustainable design process. It's sponsored by the U.S. Green Building Council. LEED is a stringent certification process because it does involve documentation from the beginning of the project throughout the construction. The process and the certification by LEED is important to Haworth because it does document their commitment to sustainable design both at the headquarters project and their showroom projects.
This is a fascinating project in that the creativity that went into Haworth's thought process prior to our even being brought on board. I've probably worked on a dozen or 24 projects in my career, and yet this easily would be the most creative one as far as the components of the project and the way they're put together around us. Well, there's no doubt in my mind that what we are doing here, in effect, we are trailblazing for what the sort of the wave of the future for construction will be on an interior basis.
This is an adaptable workspace, meaning the floor plan is flexible. Electrical wires are under the floor, not inside the walls, so the walls can be easily moved as space needs change. Instead of private offices, the floor plan is open and airy with many windows to let in sunlight. The structure is built with energy-efficient materials for uniform heating and cooling, and the space is filled with ergonomic furniture like Haworth's Zodi chair, the first chair endorsed by the American Physical Therapy Association.
We're so excited about having our people move back into the building because it really is a new chapter for Haworth, and it really gives us the ability to walk the talk and share not only with the people that work there but with our customers everything that we've learned worldwide on sustainability and adaptable workspace.
As a corporation committed to the health of its employees and the environment, Haworth is a role model for all companies looking to create inspired, sustainable workplaces.
Haworth is a fascinating company. The expression of walking the walk as well as talking the talk is evident in everything we do and has been from the start on this project. They made it very clear to us from day one that sustainability, adaptability, flexibility were the mantra of this project.
In the future, Haworth's new headquarters will serve as a testing ground for progressive workspaces.
This is going to be us building a space that we think will help us have a deeper understanding of how our clients work together, how they collaborate, how their spaces should change over time as their organization evolves, as their organization changes. This will be our living laboratory that will let us bring solutions to our customers that help them to deal with the ongoing changes they experience every day.